up, guys? It's me again, and I think I'm gonna mess around with the 20 GPU rig, which I want to add swap over some GPUs so to make it a 24 GPU Kaspa mining rig, which is this rig over here, because it's missing one GPU here and 3 right on the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna do this one over here, this rig. This is my 3060 GPU rig. I think I'm gonna take it down. Well, I'm gonna take the 3060 GPUs from up there, from this rig, and then place those, I believe, on top here, possibility on the top. Okay, and then put 2 GPUs or 3 GPUs right on the bottom. Yeah, 3 GPUs on the bottom. Right? It's missing 3 on the bottom. 3 there, and then just put the other ones onto that rig. So I'm just gonna swap it over to make it a full 24 GPU mining rig, mining Kaspa. So I think I'm gonna start doing that right now. First thing is, let me shut this bad boy down. Like that. Okay, so I removed all of the GPUs from there, the 3060s, and I also removed the 1660 Supers, which I'm going to, believe I'm going to use 3 of those from here. And I already added 5 3060s here. Just got to add this one. I'm going to put that one to the end here, and then add the 3 1660 Supers and 3 more power cables there, and 3 risers, and I should be done with this, and then crank this bad boy up. Okay, so I'm done putting all the GPUs in. Got all the 3060s in here on the top, and put the rest of the 1660 Supers on the bottom. So this is a 24 GPU Kaspa mining rig. Now I just gotta plug these back in. I took these out because I had to look into the back and to get some cables in. So let's put this one back, put the one on the bottom right in here. Okay, now all I gotta do now is turn it on and probably mess around with some configurations, but this is pretty much it. Let me start cranking up these power supplies. Let's see. Alright, looks like it's working. Alright, let's take a look down there. This one, I know the light doesn't come on, but it is working. It's just that riser this one came with a missing bulb, LED light, but that's okay, that's fine. Okay, those are working down there. Alright, everything looks like it's all powered up, spinning and everything. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. You just gotta mess around with it a little bit on the computer, make sure everything is configured correctly, and that's it for the video. This is my 24 GPU Kaspa mining rig. I got all 24 GPUs on there, and I just got to mess around with the configuration of just a little, just slightly, and that's it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later on the next one. Peace out.